Dave Karlstadt. This is Karlstadt Machining. We're northwest corner of Ohio, just outside of a town called Ney, Ohio. I actually was born on the other end of this farm. Since then, I've moved down to this end and started the machine shop and cattle business. 7 years ago, we decided to build our first steer barn, which is over here. And in the past couple years, we've got so busy in the shop that actually we still have the cattle around, but the neighbors help take care of the cattle. Right now, we're running around 14 employees, including myself.
Not counting the cows.
Not counting the cows. We don't count the cows. They give a little inspiration now and then, I guess. So I was working in town for 12 years, running a shop. Decided that I had enough driving back and forth to town. I was gonna come back home. We decided we'd build a small building. We built a 30 by 40 full building, put a couple machines in it, then LB15 Okuma and a MC4 VAE Okuma, just off and running from there. We had a main project. We made clamping dies for the oil industry, and those machines were what it took to get us started, and that business just grew leaps and bounds for us. 1 machine into 3 machines into 11 Okuma vertical mills now and 8 horizontal lathes.
It's kind of neat for most people don't realize when you drive by here, they just think it's a steer farm, but you know, we do some amazing stuff in this shop that most people can't even fathom.
These are all the Okuma turning centers that we got. Actually, this was the very first one we started with 6 years ago, and we've gradually just kept on moving forward with what we got. We're getting into a lot of large turning. We actually pushed the machines, and we've had really good luck with the LB25 here. The old machines are good old workhorses that very rarely let you down. They're just, in their day they were fast, today they're quite slow. I've chose to grow the company on a cash basis, actually. That's why I have so many older machines, and now that we have an abundance of those, we are flowing enough to make it justifiable to buy new machines. Currently what we have in here is the new Geno's 560 mill. We decided we needed to have more opportunity with 3D milling and higher speed. This is what we chose to go with because we want to stick with Okumas. Just the technology from the PC-based controller into the speed that the machine can run, you know, with all that all combined together, we're just looking to get parts in less time and compete with the rest of the world. The service guy that came out to set it up, we had a big blizzard that day, and I had to literally take the tractor down the road and tow him in the last 2 miles. It's kind of a funny story, but at any rate, we towed him in the last 2 miles, and he came in, he finished setting our machine up because we needed it. He stuck here all night to get that thing going that day, and we were running parts the very next day with it. I mean, I don't think you could ask much more out of that side of the service. Our direction 5 years out is to actually add a couple more of these 560s. We want to add a horizontal machining center with a pallet changer on it. I think the reliability of these machines plays a huge role in our success. We don't have to worry about downtime. At the end of the day, being able to produce parts, quality parts on time is our biggest deal. We can't be late.
I mean, we went from a 1-building shop to basically 4 buildings in 5 years. And honestly, if the industry will allow it, we'll probably double again at least in 5 years.